Hello, my name is Keshwani. It's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for GRE. We have been solving GRE math problems out of this book here, the GRE Official Guide, 4th edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. Always make sure that this book is in front of you when we are working together. Today I will solve two problems that you will find on page number 198. The very first problem that you can see is already on the blackboard. I'm going to go over the problem first, then I'm going to get out of the frame. You pause the video and do it yourself before you continue watching the video. Do you understand? So here's what's going on. We are told that we have an auction. A car dealer had an auction for cars, and he had two kinds of cars, small cars and large cars. The number of cars that were sold in the auction, number of cars that he had for sale in the auction, number of cars that he actually had in the auction for sales were 32 small ones, 23 large ones. But at the end of the auction, only 16 were sold. 16 small cars were sold, 20 large cars were sold. Before the auction began, the auctioneer, the car dealer, the owner, had expected that the sales from the small cars will generate $70,000, and the sales from the large cars, the expected revenue was $150,000. But in reality, at the end of the auction, he only got $120,000 from the large cars and $41,000 from the small car. The question is very straightforward. The question simply is, it's a very, very long story, much ado about nothing at all. The question is, what's the average price of large cars sold? What's the average price of the large cars sold? Do it yourself. Well, let's see what we can do. Well, how much money did we get from selling the large cars? Well, we were expecting to get $150,000, but that's not what we got. That's what we were expecting. But in reality, what we did get was $120,000. And how many were sold? Well, large cars we're talking about. We had hoped to sell 23, but we only sold 20 of them. Is the average price of large cars sold right there. We only sold 20 of them. That's all it is. 12 divided by 2 is 6. It's $6,000. The answer is $6,000. Let's do next one, shall we? Number 4. We are told that the merchant made profit of $5 on something that cost him $15. His cost of the unit was $15, and he made a profit of $5 when he sold it. The question is this. The question is, what is his profit? What is his profit as a percentage of cost? What is his profit as a percentage of cost? Well, we know he made $5 in profit, and his cost was 15. There you go. It's 1/3. It's 33 and 1/3%. That's how much profit he made. 33 and 1/3%. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay? Bye now.